Hi ladies and gents, we're gonna see something very simple, and much of people they look for it on the internet side and side. So this is how you do lastID. In case you want to get the ID which was used on the first table, if you insert into the first table some data, so it should get you the ID. So the ID, this ID for this table, you want to make it put it in your second table as your reference. We can see as in a child table. So this is gonna be a primary key, then comes here as a secondary key. So the system is so simple. So you go and grab your last ID, then you bring it and post it in here in the second table. So how do you get that? So if you're using PDO, here we're using PDO. So what we do for our connection and stuff, so what we do, we go here after inserting, after you put it exactly after you insert the first table. So this is our first table, so this is the last ID. So say last ID, you can name it anything you want, equals to select last ID, select last_insert_ID. Okay, you get this. Then you go to prepare, you put your connection, you put this into this, you store it into here, this you store it into here. So after you result execute, after that say last ID equals to result fetch column. So after that, you don't need to print this, but I just did print it to make sure that we get the right ID. So we're going to see here, we're going to insert one record here, then we'll look at its ID if it matches with what we're going to get on the screen there. So what we do, you go here, and I did this guy, let's call this guy Smith, Mr. Smith. Do then we come and say Mandy, then Mandy Nkabinde, you go and submit. So we submit, it's a branch created. So this is the ID is 4366. So if we go here and refresh, we get this guy codes. Okay, let's view this guy to see. Yes, we see 4366. we go here, we see 4366. Yeah, that's how you do the last ID. Guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and you can pause the video to copy exactly. Don't forget, this is what you grab, this to put it in your table, in a child table. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.